Hey guys, today I've got a Kenmore Elite 30 cubic foot French door refrigerator with a bottom freezer. It's got the anti-fingerprint stainless steel on it. I'm going to show you real quick that everything on it's working perfect. First, show you here that we've got water. Nice light that pops on. Then we can switch this right up here to cubed ice. And we also have crushed ice. There you go. Of course, then we can finish it off with the water. Now let me grab my temperature gun and I'll show you that the temperature on the inside of this is correct, just like it's set to be, and then you'll know everything on it works great. Hang on just a sec. Okay, so now I've got my temperature gun. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement, tell you the temperature there. So it's about 54, 55 Fahrenheit on the outside of this machine. Go ahead and open it up. Alright. And as we shine here, it's fairly accurate. It's supposed to be right at about 37. And of course that'll fluctuate, especially standing here fanning the door. But let me grab a picture of that for the ad. And now that I've opened this, I'll show you real quick that everything in here, all these shelves and everything are in perfect condition. Everything works exactly as it should. Drawers pull out, your little adjustment thing here, this pulls out. Then you have an adjuster here, if you can see that, for meat, produce, deli. And then the ice machine is within this door. You can see plenty of ice in there. And you can pull this out, transfer it to a different bucket if you wanted to have it make more ice, additional ice for parties. You got your water filter up here. Here's the tag. And you got a door alarm if the door is cracked or left open, which is great. Then I'll show you the freezer portion here real quick. Oh, and that's kind of cool. This door can pull open like that, so you can easily get to your stuff. Let me take a picture of that real quick. Super cold in the freezer, which is great. It's going to keep your items fresher longer. You have 3 compartments here. You have a bottom, real deep one, top slide out drawer, and then a very top quick access drawer that pulls almost all the way out there. So lots of storage in the freezer. And that's it. Now you know everything on it works perfect. Excuse me. Once you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. That's how I like to shop and spend my money, so that's how I list all of my items up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks.